nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Status to get in my body. Gotta be king status to get in your body. Fuck yeah, cause a queen is what I embody.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If I look really bright, that's this ring light and me are we're just gonna let it do what it's gonna do. Today is gonna be just a little quick look using my, I've been using these palettes a lot. I'm kind of obsessed with them. The Morphe 15T Your True Selfie palette and the James Charles and Morphe collab. I'm actually going to only use one or two shades out of here, and then the rest comes from here. So enough talking, let's get started. So for this look, the first shade I'm going to use comes from the James Charles palette, and it is the shade Code James. It's hard to read this backwards. It's this shade right here, which is next to the shade I used to set my concealer to. So I'm going to take Code James and put that above my crease, basically. So I'm trying not to blind you guys. I used face mask to cover the mirror because it's huge. I'm going to take the shade, this one, which is Morphe Babe, right here, and I'm going to put that underneath where I put Code James on my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Throwback, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner just a little bit, using the same brush. I cleaned it off, of course, but using the same brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with this. So the final shade that I'm going to use is this one right here called Blend the Rules. And I love that name, but I'm going to use that and put it where there's no shadow. So, yeah. So I did the brow bone highlight, which is Ring Light from the James Charles palette, and my dots and my liner off camera. I'm going to go and do my foundation off camera. I'm going to be using this Morphe foundation stick in the shade 147 and medium, from their medium dark part section, and then I'll come back and finish my face. Well, finish my eye look. Getting ready to curl my hair, so that's why it looks all crazy now and whatnot. Still a little wet though. Anyway, I'm going to take the same shade, Morphe Babe, and put that on my lower lash line using this brush. And I found out this is from the brand Vader, just like my lavender brushes, and all of them came from AliExpress. So if you're looking for some cheap brushes that are actually really good, I would go to AliExpress. I think this set of brushes from Vader, it came in a cute little case, like a professional case, which I threw the case out because my cats, when I had the two cats, they kind of, you know, used it as a toy, so it was no longer usable. But it was like this nice leather case, well, fake leather, of course, leather case, and it was 26 brushes, 27 brushes, and I think I paid $19, and the shipping was free. Even though I'm all the way in Korea, the shipping was still free, which, you know, you can't really beat that. But I've had these brushes for like, the black ones, for like 3 years now. I've lost a few along the way because breakage and whatnot, and my cat's chewing on the ends. I don't know. If you have a cat, does your cat, like my cat, they liked things that were made of like wood. Like this is wood because I found out because they ate one. Well, broke it. Don't think they ate it, but anything that's made, like I have a hairbrush that's like wood based, and they would chew on it, and they were chewing on the brushes, and just, yeah, so I lost quite a few. I have like 10 of these left out of 26 or 27. Then I'm going to take my favorite inner corner highlight shade, and I know people are gonna be like, that doesn't really go. It goes for me. This shade, Hello, right here. I'm going to take this and put that in my inner corners, and if you don't like it, then I don't know what to tell you. I always do what I want anyway, so what I want today is a blue inner corner highlight with this eye look, so I'm gonna do it. So for the last step of my lips, I'm going to take this Korean lip liner, which I just dropped it on the floor, so now it's all covered in hair. Well, it was. Actually, it wasn't covered. There was a piece of hair. In the shade Black Wine. Oh, we can refill this, so I can go buy refills for this. Did not know that. And my favorite lippy stick shade, aside from Weekender, which is red, this is, I bought this one. This is new. I got a new one because my old one is done. So it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Candy Paint from ColourPop. I love this shade. If you've been around for a while, you know that I use this a lot. So, these two together. And this is the finished look. My hair is being weird, even though actually I didn't curl all of it on this side. I curled a few pieces. This side all the way get curled, so I look a little crazy, but that's fine. I like it because the curls are gonna fall, and then boom, whatever. This is the finished look. I added Trophy Wife to my Cupid's bow, like always. Well, 99% of the time I use it. I might add the Bretman Rock I See You gloss. Maybe. I'm thinking about it. Considering it. But I like how the look turned out, and I know some people aren't gonna like the blue inner corner, but I'm obsessed with Hello being here. That's the name of the shade. So it's gonna be there for a while. I mean, sorry, not sorry. That is it for this look. Like I said, it's just a quick little eye look, This is usually the shades that since I've gotten these two palettes. So like for the past 2 weeks, this is what I've been doing on Sundays. This is the look, but I don't post on Sundays, so you don't see it. Now you get to see, this is my Sunday look for the last 2 weekends. This has been my Sunday look. Why? I don't know, but I like it, so yeah. That's it. That's all. I will see you guys tomorrow, because tomorrow is Friday, which means it is Face Shots Friday. Bye.